Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. We've got a beautiful 19 Ford F-150. It's an STX. It's an XL with an STX Sport Appearance Package and the FX4 package. 3.5 Echo Boost is an upgrade on this truck. This car is a new car dealer trade-in. We just got it. It's been through the shop, fully serviced. Just put 4 new tires on it yesterday. Pretty highly equipped for a more base model truck. It's got the upgraded sport cloth, 40 console 20, 40 console 40 bucket seats actually. It's got the trailer towing package, 355 limited slip lockup differential, rubber floors, and it's in great shape. Hadn't had a lot of work done out of it at all. Beautiful truck. Looks brown to me, but Ford calls it Magma red. Just a couple more things to do to this truck before it's 100% ready to go, which I will show you. Say tires are done, cleaned and detailed. We need to re-clean the seats again. This modern cloth interior is woven so tightly. Usually you have to clean the seats 2, sometimes 3 times to get it the way I like it. But you can see this truck is really nice, straight, shiny, slick, smooth, runs and drives great. It's got the XL power package. So you got power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, buckets, console, big screen in the middle, trailer towing package with an integrated brake controller. But wow, what a nice truck. And I absolutely love the color. Look at that. So what do we have left to do to it? We have to put the final cleanup on the seats, final little touch up on the detail. There are some rock chips on the front of the hood. So my guy will just dust in the front of the hood and re-clear it. Let me show you what I mean. See all these little rock chips? Just tiny little rock chips all the way across the hood. So he'll just color the front of the hood, re-clear the whole hood, never know what happened when it's done and ready to go. We have great financing for great credit, mediocre financing for mediocre credit. And if you have bad credit, we can probably still get you approved. Look on our website where you're seeing this video, hopefully. The Carfax is there with the services we've done to the truck. And if there's any questions, you can always call me on my cell, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. I usually answer day or night. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.